Okay, everyone. Let's say I make a I research for some time and find out trading has 40% chance for profit and gamble has 45% chance for profit. It means if you gamble, you have more chance to make money big than trading. But we are going to add something to this 40% to make it worth. What we are going to do, we first add take profit and many things else. But we are going to use some leverage. The fact for is that use no leverage more than 10. Why I say that? At first, some of you may not know what leverage means. Leverage means when you create a position with $100 and leverage 10, it's going to start a position with $1,000, but your loss can't be more than 10%. Because why? You sometimes looked at this, you are doing your work with bank's money. It's something that Robert Kiyosaki and another one said. If you know what you are doing, what you are doing with your loan, you are a what? You are rich rich person. If you know what you are doing with your loan, you are a rich person. If we know what we are doing with leverage, we can make our money worth. Why I say not more than 10? Because when you do more than 10, for example, let's say leverage is equal to 50. Okay, it means at 2% loss, you become liquid. And the stop loss doesn't have any meaning here. At 2%, you become liquid and lose all your money. But when the leverage is 10, at 10% loss, it's always 9 to 8 because of the fees and another fee loss. You become liquid, and you can always, for example, set the stop loss at 7%. That means 30% of your money you lose. Some of you may not agree or may agree, but this is the problem. And you, when you increase your leverage, increase risk. It's very important. By more leverage, more risk come. Because of that, we are not going to use more than 10 leverage, and we are going to create the positions for ourselves. Okay, this is the end for these sessions. I think I will tell you everything about the strategy. But if you think anything else, I'm going to tell you. Until the next lesson, this is not a course, I tell you. Until the next lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe. And please like and subscribe. And ask me any question, comment if you have.